Yep. Let's go. I'll be behind you.
Ooh, that's cool.
This is our view right now. It's so fogged up. Oh, I can't see anything. I heard somebody else back there. Apparently this is normal.
That might be you, I don't think so.
Okay. That is nice and warm. I will give it that. I will give it the warmth.
Yeah, but if I put my glasses
Yeah, if it's not windy or anything, it shouldn't be raining. We can come back tomorrow if you guys are up to that. We could do it early. But yeah, somebody behind me was like, this happens all the time, guys, chill out. So apparently, this is normal. So from now on, I need to put on the waterproof backing that I took off before we came. Wow. A lot of people are here just for that, I guess. Look at them crazy folks. Them crazy folks. What they doing? Alright, I'm turning you off because the waterproof backing's not on.